Hello, mic check. Hello, 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 mic check. Okay, so today we will discuss about post exploitations. Okay, so I think so. The room is like tryhackme room is room name. Mhm. Room name like post exploitation, correct? Post exploitation basic. So in this room, we will learn the basic of post exploitation and maintaining the access with Mimikatz, Bloodhound, and Power View and MSF. So mostly we discuss about these three, four topics. So very important thing while you go for the doing the ICP or doing the red teaming or it's very important that you should know about Active Directories. All right. Let me create a folder mkdir. I think so. I already created. Not yeah. I already created. CD red team. Okay. Now new folder mkdir basic. This is post exploitation. Post exploitation. CD post. Okay. Nano notes. How? What topic we will discuss about? Like Mimikatz, Bloodhound, Power View, and MSF Venom. Fine. Okay. So, introduction. This room will cover all of the basic post exploitations. We will talk everything from the post exploitation enumerations. Okay, one important thing like first to know more about the enumerations and then power view, bloodhound, dumping the hashes, golden ticket, attacker the mimikatz, basic information gathering, using Windows server tools and locks, and then we'll be wrap up the like this room talking about the basics of maintaining access with the persistence meta-exploit modules and creating the backdoor into the machines to get instant interpreter shells if the system is ever shut down or reset. So what do you mean by the persistence? Like yeah, when the like system gets the shutdown or reset, you will getting the like shell again. Like it is called like a maintaining the access with the persistence meta-exploit modules. So we'll discuss about this also. This room is like we will related to the every or very real world applications and will most likely not help with any setups. However, this room will be give you a great starting knowledge of how to approach network after you have the gain a shell on the machine. Okay. So first of all, let me clear one thing that we already have access or we already gain a shells on a specific machine or you are a victim machine and then we'll try to get a post exploitation, correct? Okay, so I'm not going to show you or I'm not solving the problems or what they ask in tryhackme. I'm not going to show you anything, right? So let's do practical only. So consider that we already have the access and here you can see the RDP or SSH access. So I'm not going to use RDP anymore. Let get a SSH access, administrator, IP address, and enter. The password is what? Yes. Pass. capital. Okay, let me copy this, huh? So like to minimize the errors, that's why. Enter. Cool, we got a shell access. Great. Now what next? So once you're getting the shell access, or whether you're getting the shell access on particular machine, enumerations. First enumeration is what, like pre-enumerations. Uh, when you started your attacking. Okay, at that time, that phase we call that phase like pre-enumerations, and then once you get initial access for the maintenance or doing the privilege escalation, or to do like lateral movement or get the administrator access, we have to know post exploitations, or we have to know like post enumeration. So post enumeration in case of how to do post enumerations by using this number of tools. PowerView is a powerful PowerShell script from the PowerShell, PowerShell also the post exploitation tool. Empire. Okay, so if you want to install, or if you want to use Empire framework, you can use post exploitation Empire tool. Okay, by using the Empire tool, you can do post exploitation. So that can be useful for the enumerations or enumerating a domain after you have already gained a shell in the system. Well, I will focus on how to start up the get user and group from the Power View. So why we need a user and groups? Let's discuss about this also. I have already installed the on the machine. Okay, fine. So we already installed or downloaded these two tools on Shell. So we don't need to do downloading a PowerView code and upload over this website. We already have this one. 1 second. Let me close this. dir. Okay, dir. All right. I suppose my file is in download folder. Correct. Yep. So Mimikatz, Power View, SharpFont, these files are available over. So why we are going to use Mimikatz, Power Views, and SharpFont? Let's discuss. Okay. Okay. Once you get in the SSH access, then try to do the bypassing. What bypassing? So first we will have the launch the PowerShell with execution policy bypass, so that we can run script. So further for the run the script, you need to bypass your PowerShell. How to execute policy bypass? By using PowerShell -e and bypass command. So whether you type this command, it means what, you trying to jump into the PowerShell terminal and then bypassing like execution policy. Execution EP means what? Execution policy. So you are not a trying, but you bypassing the execution policy into the PowerShells. So let try it on my side. PowerShell -EP and bypass. Um, Done. We are in a PowerShell, correct. And we already bypassed the EP execution policy. Why bypassing the policy? For execution a further script. Okay, what further script? So that we can run the script. Which kind of script? Which script, like Power View, like SharePoint script, or like maybe cat exe. Whether you not bypassing the EP, then you cannot execute this kind of script. Simple, easy. Okay, so suppose that I already downloaded here PowerView. So now execute this script by using this command dot dot and powerview.ps1. Okay, I already jump into the download folder, so I don't need to use this. All right, let's see. a dot space dot slash. Yes. Okay, done. 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 Now, let me try to this. What is this? Get net user information. So I just imported imported PowerView PS1 file into my PowerShell, and now I can fire up this command net user command by using the file and like gripping the CN only. CN means what? The control. Yeah, domain user. Okay, controller domain user like you know user domain user information. All right, let's see. Is it working or not? Yeah, it's working. Cool. So I got the administrator user, guest care, KRBTGT, machine 1, admin 2, machine 2, SQL, and also I got a flag. Cool. That is what, like, you know what, first step completed. It means like I just executed the PowerShell, and I also executed Power View command and getting the answer. So that's why they developers put some kind of flag that flagged suggest me like yo bro, you completed first step. Okay, so what next? Next is like we can also enumerate domain group. Okay, so what is this, like domain users? First, I just want to know okay, what kind of users is there or the name of users. So first step completed. Let's see the group or domain groups name. There are administrator group like domain admin, key admin, a number of users group. All right. So let's copy this information, store anywhere where you want to like copy paste. Okay. All right. So further this information will help you. All right. And if you want to execute or if you want to do further enumerations by using the power view command, you can go ahead and use this all script, like to use an alternative credential for any function. Try this. Okay, yeah, or use Google Power View commands. Okay, okay. Yeah, so just go ahead and search commands. Fine. I'm skipping this topic now. The next point is what? Question and answer. All right. Right is the share folder that is not set by default. What is a shared folder that is not set by default? Answer is share. Why? Because you can like say okay, which folder having oh access on domain controller. So domain controller slash admin having remote admin shared folder, and C dollar is having the default shared. Second one is like remote PC. Third one is like log on server share, and last second one have nothing. Okay, all right. So the question is what? What is the shared folder that is not shared by the default? All right, the like folder is shared. Why this one? Have not any default for that. All right. So why they ask like this kind of math questions? Because to know whether you put this command and what will be the answer or what will be the output and what you need to find out. So whatever the output is, yeah, okay. So output is like share folder is this, and further the share folder you can do like assembly access. You can get assembly access, assembly client access, or might be there is something like juice information stored on this particular folder. Okay, so it can be help you for further exploitations. That's why you can use invoke share file. You can define the user or the domain controller by using this command. So yeah, The power we use for to know more enumeration, to get a more enumeration or further exploitation. So invoke share finder or whatever the gate user information, or there are number of what number of command which is used to know more about domain controller. Correct. The gate net computer full data select operating system. Okay, which operating system is used by this server? Let's see. The Windows Server 2019 standard. Wow, cool. Windows 10 Enterprise evaluations. 10 Enterprise evaluation. All right. So by using this command get net computer full data, I suppose that I am selecting only operating system informations. All right. Okay. So whether I just find or I just put the informations, whether I just put this command like get net computer full data. So what kind of information I will get, like PWD latest like 8 7 20,000 2020, log on count is 82, like how many times they log in, server reference tables like CN is domain controller, is a server default for site and blah 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 blah. So bad password time is what, like this. So there are number of informations and LDAP information also. But what I'm looking for operating system information. So by using the pipe command, I can put there select command for grabbing the information. What grabbing information related about operating system only. So it will be like grab the information about this. All right. So it's your choice whether I just want to know what ADS path. So I can put here pipe select select my bad. Wow, boom. So all ADS paths is available here. All right. And one more thing also I can like I can, oh, one thing ADP, let me select another one. Is it working or not? I don't know. DNS host. No way. Sorry. My wrong. All right. Select. Okay. Domain. Desktop 1 and 2 and this. Oh, fine. Okay. So what is the operating running inside the network of Windows Service 2019? Correct. So answer is Windows 10 Enterprise and 2019 web server. Sorry, Windows Server. So I have hidden a flag inside of the user find it. Oh, I have hidden a flag inside of the users find it. As answer is this. I think so. We already find this flag. All right. So yeah, till we done PowerShell. Okay, how to use a PowerShell and all. Okay, now what enumerating with Bloodhound? I suppose so. You are guys understand how to use Power View command. Okay, Power View command is for to know more about to do enumerations for post enumeration. One point is completed. Power View. If you want to know more about cheat sheet related about Power Review, you can go ahead and like go to Google or find further cheats or the GitHub also. Second point is Bloodhound. All right. So how the Bloodhound is work? Bloodhound is a graphical user interface GUI tool that will help us to visually map out of the network in the system. Bloodhound comes along with a tool called Sharphound. I think so. The Sharphound already here. Yeah, sharphound.ps. Correct. So yeah, of course, you can use this Sharphound also for to prolay innovations. The Bloodhound comes along with the tool called as Sharphound, which is similar to the Power View, where it is take information such as user, group, etc., etc., etc. and store them in a JSON file to the user to use inside the Bloodhound. Yeah, of course, you can export the file, JSON file inside your system, upload the like JSON file or the Bloodhound and check it out the information. The creator of the challenge has already placed Sharphound in the victim. Yeah, of course, I don't know that. Each Sharphound already installed or uploaded over the our box. With whether you want to upload, you can go ahead search over the Google, find the Sharphound, download the file and upload it on whatever you got a shell. Okay, whether you get in the Meterpreter, you can upload from the Meterpreter shell also, or whether like it's depend on okay which kind of shell you got. Just upload your Sharphound and do further enumerations. So these guys show us like how to use or how to upload, sorry, not upload, how to install Bloodhound. You can fire up this command and install your Bloodhound in your system, Kali system. I, I already downloaded a Bloodhound and installed it. Getting the loot with the Sharphound. Okay, all right. So first we will need to launch PowerShell from the CMD with execution policy bypass that I already done. You can skip this step if you are still in the PowerShell. Launch the previously next on the shutdown PowerShell and script. Okay, already in a PowerShell. Let's fire up the file. Which file? Dot slash, sorry, dot space, again dot, and sharp on. Done. Oh, done. Let me check what is inside sharp hunt. Oh shit, type sharp hunt. Do not use dot slash, else it will be boom. Oh man. Alright, so there are a number of code. Okay, just forget this code. Now, what I done here is I just execute the power sharphound.ps1. Finally, we can collect all information using sharphound and store it in zip file. Okay, so how? Just firing the invoke bloodhound command. Collecting the methods is all. Domain controller information is like domain controller is this, and output must be like load.zip file. All right, let's see. All right, all right. Uh, enter. Oh, oh. What happened here? What happening here? Resolving the collections method like group, session information, log on, trusted, ACL information. It's a very important thing. Okay? Object prop, local group, blah blah blah. Container information, collecting, creating schema map and blah 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 blah. And compressing the file into the download folder. The name is this. So you can upload this file directly to the UI. Shardrow enumeration completed at this. Okay, okay, done. ls. Wow, the file is here. All right. So next point is how to download this file into your Kali system or operating system or in your local system. How it is possible? Yeah, it's a very easy thing. Yeah. Okay. So there are a number of methods to download. Yeah, for download the file into your local system. So go ahead and search your Google like file transfer. Okay, all right. OSC file transfer or OE, how to file transfer. Okay, for penetration testing using FTP with like HackSudo or blah blah blah, NC connection, or there are a number of like methods. So I'm going to use SSH that I do have already SSH access. Okay, let me open a new terminal. The sudo SU password is I think so vishal. No, wow, super vishal pagal. Yeah, of course it's working. Mm, now what next is the SSH, yeah, SCP. All right. SCP. SCP add me add me straighter and what is my address? And colon where to where do I guess I need to apply download also that I don't know, but let's say and we can transfer the zip file the back to our attacking machine using SCP. All right, but okay. The password is what? Because I'm just downloading the file in my local system. All right, no such a file. All right, all right, all right. CP working or not? Temp. CP is not working. Okay. So download. Let me try this thing. No such a file. Oh, damn shit. Download. Oh, slash. It is not. There we cannot. Oh, damn. Oh, shit. Oh, man. Oh, man. Hmm. Okay, finally. Finally. We download how? By putting reverse slash. Okay. Okay, so map the network with the bloodhound. First, we need to do the start the NGO, like start your console, neo geo, and then default credentials for neo is neo4j. We will need to change the local host browse, otherwise bloodhound will not let us log in. Oh, acha, okay, okay, okay. Mm-hmm. Let me log in here. What the heck? neo login हो गया. Okay, password is what? Default password is neo4j, and I think so we already in. All right, we already in. About neo. All right. So what next? Start a bloodhound in another terminal. Sudo. Password is hackme. Okay. So always my password is randomly changed that I don't know first what was my password and what is my password, what will be my password. Okay. So now password is hackme. Let me fire bloodhound. Come on. I'm joking, guys. Okay. Okay. You should log. You should now be able to log in using the default username and the password. New password is blah blah blah. Click on the import graphs button. And this is the G. All right. You have. Okay. User is Neo 4J. Neo 4J. Oh, 1 2 3 4. Red Hat. Success. Acha. So I got it. My password is Red Hat. How to import graphs? By clicking on the import graphs button, right? And click on other location. Click on my computer and click on home button and then click on vishal and then backup. No, it's a loot.zip file. I suppose that file is bad JSON. Okay, all right. It must be JSON file. So, uh, it must be JSON file. Or should I don't get a JSON file? So let me do one thing. Mute my. Okay, the problem is what I'm not able to import my JSON file. I don't know why, but it's okay. We can now click on the menu button and choose any query we are interested, like finding the domain admin, finding the shortest path of domain admin, and so on. The questions answer is what is the service is also a domain admin. So just click on the all domain admin. A lecture will be formed like this. All right. So answer is SQL services. Here is SQL services. So what two users are Kerberos tables? So click on the list of Kerberos account. Here maybe the Kerberos account. Okay. I click on there like there you can look here. List of Kerberos table account. There are two Kerberos accounts. Oh man. Very important call. Hold on guys. I'm sorry. Hello. Okay. So launching the Mimikatz from the download folder, like ensuring the privilege is the bugging output will be like 20. Okay, that means it's working cool. Mimikatz must be like run from the administrator shells to dump hashes from the LSA secret, right? I think so. So whether we use SSH or whether you whatever you should getting victim access like victim machines, it should be in the administrator shell by the default. Okay, I suppose that. So we can now dump the hashes by using ls dump command. Okay, for the ls dump, I guess I guess मार पडेल ना तुला मार देऊ काय मार अच्छा LSA dump LSA and path. अरे so the output is what the user is administrator NTLM hash is like this. अरे रुक user is this domain controller desktop and all. Huh? We can now dump the hashes. All right, so machine 1 hash is this, 2 machine hash is this. So how to crack this hashes using the hashcat or using the John tool? क्या होता है क्या होता है अरे क्या होता है क्या होता है ओके अच्छा यस थैंक यू ऑल राइट लाईव्ह स्ट्रीमवर चालू आहे माझी हा लक्षात ठेव Hmm. Okay, okay. All right. So let use mimikatz, and I use LSA dump for the hash dumping, and I suppose that we already have administrator access. We have NTLM hashes. Let crack use the hash cat, and I suppose NTLM hash value is 1000. So to fire the command red hat hashcat and 1000 and hash 7 hash 7 hash 7 hash not as त्याचा अर्थ वेगळा होतो बरं काय as red hat gun cheap अरे gun cheap अरे gun cheap what least rock you हैं क्या होतं दारू पिला काय तुम्ही दारू बिरू मारली काय 50ची चपटी संत्रा सस्ती वाला चपटी देशी मारली काय मला तेच वाटतंय okay okay so once you fire up the hashcat command 1 second give me a second so then you will get a password like password 1 all right so question is what like machine 1 password is what the machine password is password 1 and machine 2 password is machine hash passes to hash is this all right use the mimic ads you can like dump the hashes what you can dump I ask you मी बंद करतो स्ट्रीमिंग ठीक आहे आता तुझ्यामुळं बंद करतो स्ट्रीम करू का नको करू बंद स्टॉप I got the password like password 1 and password दोघांचे पासवर्ड भेटले मला काय भेटला तुला विचारतो मी तुला विचारलं काय भेटलं मला password 1 second रुक now now the last is what once you get the password now रुक now last topic is golden ticket attacks with the mimikatz so what is golden ticket attacks our desktop is for to get a RDP access already have the admin user and the password and the domain control is controller all right so you will get a RDP access fine dumping the cardboard hashes using the mimikatz we can now dump the hash of the Kerberos account using this command. I'm not going to show you how I done this. All right, so you can do this by using the LSA dump and LSA injection and be Kerberos. Creating the golden ticket. You can create a golden ticket and we can use further. All right, so do this itself. Okay, so all. Uh, uh, all right, so guys, next tutorial हम लोग next देखेंगे. Let me say hi. Bye bye.